That quote inspired me because on our way up, sometimes we lose focus of what matters most. And this morning I was looking in my newsfeed and I was scrolling and I saw somebody post something that really disappointed me. They posted something that was a dream killer post, and they were dreamers, visionaries, working and making amazing things happen, yet they had to leave their negative sentiment about somebody that was on their way up to achieve something great just because they didn't like the way that they were doing things. And all these negative comments below and jokes were going, and I realized that that's our internet today. It is literally toxic. So how can we be better? And I want to lead by example because we've been blessed. We've been so blessed by so many people that have believed in us and inspired us. So I want to figure out how I can give that back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite somebody to take our third ticket, because we have 3 and not just 2, but only 2 people can go, to Web Summit in Lisbon, Portugal. We're an exhibiting startup, so you'll get to come behind the scenes and experience everything with us as we stay on the beach a block away from the Altice Arena of the event. And I want somebody that is awesome. I want somebody that is inspirational. I want somebody that's willing and ready to build something great. So if you know anyone, please nominate them in the comments below. But also in the first comment below, I'm going to include a link. And that page is going to give more details of what we're looking for and when we'll be releasing that person's information by, because we are really excited to give back like other people have given to us, in the hopes to change the noise and all the crowded BS that comes from our newsfeed today. How can we be better? And that's what I want you to put in the subject line. And that's the reason why, if you listen to this video all the way to the end, I thank you. And I want you to put #BeBetter in the subject line, because those are the only emails that I'm going to open when you make this decision. So rather it be you telling your own story or somebody else's, we want to bring somebody along with us to experience this for completely free, because that's the rate that we got it for.